overall po, magkano na lang ang unsettled mula po sa unang taon ng pandemya hanggang ngayon? Ilan pong claims ito at ang magkano po yung total na kulang pa nating ibayad?
Ang arrears po namin for 2021, 22, and 23 ay 62.9 billion pa.
At kung gayon, ano po yung timetable para isettle itong remaining 62B+?
Sa NEP meron tayong, sa 2024, Madam Chair, naglagay din tayo dyan ng 22 billion, I think. So, unti-unting nababawasan every year. Opo.
So at this rate po, Mr. Secretary, posibleng natatansya ng department na within 3 years, mababayaran nyo na po lahat ng utang pa nating HEA sa healthcare workers?
Yes, Madam Chair, or shorter, hopefully. For GAA, 2023, we have allotted 19.7 billion which was programmed and 52 which was unprogrammed.
19 po, 19.
Yun yung na-release na sa amin. Na-release na ang 4 billion noon.
Okay. Sabi nyo nga po, nung itong nakaraang buwan, Nobyembre, may request po kayo na 25.96 billion na iniintay
Yes,
po
Madam Chair.
ma-release po sa
Na-release
department.
na.
So, okay po. So, pwede po natin sabihin sa mga healthcare workers natin at the latest, plano po ng department na by year 2026, kung hindi man mas maaga, makukuha na po nila.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Mr. Secretary. And lastly, on this topic, may posibilidad ba na mapaaga pa yung timetable? At sabi niyo po kasi at the latest, within 3 years. At the earliest po, ano yung nakikita niyong kakayaning gawin ng department?
Madam Chair, kasi kung unprogrammed funds, basta may taxes makolek ang national government, the DBM can release us this money. So we're hoping that there will be more taxes paid. And kasi ang sabi nila, konti ang nakolek noong 2021, 2022. And that's the reason hindi nila mabigay lahat. But if our growth rate's high, I think there will be money to actually release it earlier, Madam Chair.